Launch the H30 app. Head to the TAPS portal, then type MUX into the search bar. Click on the top search result MUX. This will then take you to another page where you can then launch the MUX Channel Checker, BBC website. First you need to select the Freeview tab. Then enter your location postcode and house number. Once entered, click on Check Transmitters. The maps will now show your location and nearest transmitters. Here you can zoom in to pinpoint which is the closest one. In this example, Knaresborough Training Centre is using Billsdale Tower. This will now show you a list of multiplex and frequency channels. In our example, you can see we need to check for 27, 24, 21, 43, 46 and 40. Once you have an idea of which MUXs you need, you can connect the terrestrial cable into your H30 meter. Arrow down to Other. Then down to Learning Plan. When you highlight Learning Plan, you'll need to press the Setup button. This will allow you to toggle the band between SAT, satellite, and TER, terrestrial. Once you select the terrestrial band, press Back button. Now press OK. To start the learning plan, this will now scan for all available frequencies detected on the H30 meter. This will now scan through 101 different frequencies and display what it can detect. Here you can see we have detected 7 channels. What we need to do now is cross-reference these against the list you saw on the BBC Channel Checker. So from our list we don't need channel 60, highlight the channel by pressing left or right, then press the OK button. You'll now see a pop-up where you are able to reject the channel, which deletes it from your learning plan. Now scan through the other channels, ensuring you have green ticks on both the power and signal quality. If like this example you see a cross, it's a good indicator the aerial isn't fully aligned. Once your plan is completed, and you have rejected any channels you don't need, you can then name the plan. Press the Back button. In our example we are naming it Billsdale after the Billsdale Tower transmitter. Use the up and down arrows to alter the characters accordingly. Once you've named it, press OK to save the plan to your H30. We've now moved location, and need to run another learning plan, as a different transmitter is closer to our next location. Here you can see we are now receiving signals from the Emily Moore transmitter. Again we rename and store the plan. To recall any saved plans, from the other menu, go to the Learning Plan option, and press on Setup. Now press OK. On the terrestrial plan, this will now show you all your saved plans. Now, when we rerun the Emily Moore plan, it's only testing our previously saved plan, and not scanning for ones we have already rejected. Remember, this function is to enable you to benchmark a terrestrial system prior and after any MDU work is carried out, to ensure you haven't degraded the terrestrial signal quality.